Okay, I came back out to Lake Decker yet again. I was here yesterday and it was just on fire. We've got a bunch of wipers and some big bass. So, I want to try someplace new, but when the fishing's like this, it's hard to go somewhere else. So, it is going to be a beautiful day. It's really windy, and it's probably going to get windier as the day goes on. So that's not ideal. But I think the same places we always go, just kind of along the reeds, try and find out where those shad are spawning and just follow the schools of bass, and we should get a bunch. Another beautiful day, except for the wind. Okay, well, this is what I'm going to start out with. Kind of a little clouser pattern. I got my 11 weight rod. I got sinking tip leader on. I was going to use a top water today, but man, with a wind like this, I was like, yeah, it's probably not going to be the best. So we're going to start out with this, and we'll just see how it goes. I put the anchor down in 12 feet of water, and we're already into 6. So I may have to re-anchor. I was really hoping we would get into some wipers in here. I'm not seeing those shad. Alright, well, let's try it again. Right up next to those reeds. Not seeing any blow-ups or anything. It's probably grass. Well, there we go, finally. There we go. That was in about 6-7 feet of water, right on the bottom. Oh, and beautiful sunrise. Ooh, come here, bud. Ooh, not bad. That's a decent way to start the day. Little guy, but not bad. Get him up, man. Pretty skinny. All right, well, there's first blood. Thank you. Let's put one right over here, slightly to the left. Like a little point right there. It's only about 4 or 5 feet deep right there. Got him. Ooh, that feels like a good one. Holy cow, he's pulling back good. I don't think he's that big, but he is pulling back hard. Let's see. Oh no, that's a good one. Ooh, he's fat too. All right. Holy cow, yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. Oh, pretty. Close to 20. 19. Oh, yeah, thank you. All right. Okay, let's put one right in front of the kayak. It is 8 feet here. That's a good depth for those wipers. They're around. Good depth for bass too. Gosh, shoot, I had one right there. He hit it. see if he'll follow. Got him. Oh man, he's pulling back good too. Just a little guy. Man, it's funny how these little ones fight a lot harder than the big ones sometimes. Ooh. Yeah, just a little guy. Thank you. Ooh, good fight though. Man, I'm gonna put one right up by the shore. Got him. Oh, look at that. That's in shallow water. He's a tiny guy, though. But yeah, that was in like 2 feet of water. Oh, and he came off. All right. Whoa. Got him. Oh, he feels like a good one. Oh yeah, that's not bad. That is not bad. Ooh, yeah, he's putting up a heck of a fight. He's a decent one. He took it deep. Oh yeah, that's a decent one there. He's probably close to 20. Let's see. Yeah, that's 19. A 19-inch bass. Thank you. Yeah, we've been getting some decent ones. It hasn't been like on fire like it's been the last few times I've been here, but the ones we've been getting have been decent. All right, I put the fly rod down, and I think I got a crappie. Oh no, that's actually a decent bass. I just set it down, and I was gonna back up a little bit, and he came up and hit it, and that's in 5 feet of water. So. Ooh. Again, just kind of nudged it. I didn't even know he hit it. So, pretty bass. Wow. Thank you. Okay. Well, let's go see if maybe he's got a buddy. I think there's a grass line kind of right off of this point here. Like I say, we're only in about 4 feet of water. So. Yeah, and there's the grass. I can feel it. Oh, there we go. That's a good bass. Ah, little guy. Ooh. Oh, you're putting up big. Again, the little guys fight harder than the big ones sometimes. Ooh. Even though he's just a tiny guy, he is putting up a fight. Ooh, there you go. Decent. Thank you. Alright, well that's 2 from this little spot right here. Let's see if he's got a buddy. Got him. Oh man, this one's pulling hard. I want to get this one up, but he's pulling hard. Ah, he's not that big. That's 3 just right here off this point. Man, he is fighting hard. Whoa. There we go. Ah, he's decent. He's probably 18. Yeah, 18. Well, that's a decent bass. Thank you. Okay. Well. Alright, let's put one right in front of us. Whoa. Oh, look, they're chasing right there. That's right up on the shore. Okay, I'm gonna cast over that way. Well, yeah. Oh, got him. Ooh. He's just a little tiny guy. But they're... Yeah, oh, thank you. Alright, I saw him chasing shad right up on that shore right there. I can't quite cast far enough because this wind is making it really hard. But it was in that neighborhood, so... Let's see. Got him. Another decent one. That's a little flat. I think it might be pretty good. Oh man, he's a little bit bigger than I thought he was. Oh, that is pretty when you can see him in the sun. Yeah, he's actually not too bad. Another one that's probably 18, maybe 19. Oh, and I just barely had him hooked. 17. All right, thank you. And I think this hook, yeah, the barb broke on this hook. That's why they've been coming off. We'll go barbless for a while. All right, here's another helpful hint on casting in the wind. So you're going to be limited in the direction that your kayak's going to face, you know, when you get it lined up perpendicular to that wind. So if you want to make a cast over here, you got to use a back cast. And so that is pretty simple to do. It's just like a normal forward cast, right? I like to do it kind of sideways, so you know, I pick up the line and then I just go sideways in front of me. And again, I'm using the wind to push it, and then you just throw it over, you know, off to the side, and that can be. Ooh, got him. That's a very effective way to cast when you want to make casts over to the other side. Oh man, this one is not fighting at all. You watch him be the big one for the day because he's not fighting at all. Oh yeah, that is a chunk too. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and he's not even hardly fighting. So go figure, right? The little tiny ones feel like they're going to break your rod, and then you get a big one like this and he hardly even fights. Oh man, that's a nice one. I want to get him in. I'm gonna quit messing around and get him in the boat. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that's a decent one there. Oh, and he inhaled it. Ooh. All right. Oh, man, he's skinny but long. He's probably 20. Yeah, hey, that's a 20-incher. Very nice. Thank you. There he goes. All right, well, that was right on the reeds. Alrighty. Decent one. All right. Ah, little guy. Thank you. Yeah, and that barb is completely gone on that fly. So we're fishing barbless now. Okay, I lost another one. And it's that's like the 5th one of the day, and so I'm putting on a different fly with a different hook. That other fly has been used a lot, and it was just kind of worn out. So anyway, we're gonna similar pattern, just a little newer. So I'm gonna give this a shot here, see if we can get a couple out of here, and then that wind is at a frequency that's generating some large waves. The GoPro never does this justice, but these are pretty big waves, and trying to paddle against that wind with these waves is not fun. Whoa! All right. One right over there. That turtle just came up. Got him. Look at that. That was right up on the bank. Pulling back hard too. It's a little guy. Yeah, these little ones fighting a lot harder than the big ones. Hit that as soon as it hit the water. Oh, and he got into the anchor. Ooh. Oh, actually, he's a little bit bigger than I thought he was. Oh, that's actually not too bad. Alrighty, well, we'll get him back in. You're getting some decent sized ones today. I'm going to drop one along that weed line. There we go. Boy, that's a decent one there. Oh, and he came off. Oh man, that was a decent one. Shoot. All right, well, let's put it right back out there. Maybe there's another one over there. That was a decent one. He actually hit it pretty good too. And I've lost. I can't tell you how many I've lost today. It's been a bunch. Got him. one's not fighting, which means he could be big. Nah, he's just a little guy. Ooh. I say a little guy, that's actually not too bad. That's actually, ooh, pretty one. Man, that's a really pretty one. Thank you. Well, that's 2 out of that spot. Alright, this wind is now beyond ridiculous. I can't. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. This is insanity. Man. Woo. I wanted to fish this flat here. Maybe I will. I don't know. This is just crazy. Ooh. I'm worried about getting rolled. Alright. Let's see if there's anything hiding over here. It is 5 feet deep. It's kind of our magical depth. If there's some grass around here, I bet you we'll get some bass. Got him. Woohoo! Look at that. Oh, a little tiny guy. And I think he got off. Oh no, he's still on. He's just charging the kayak. Ooh, alright. Yeah, this has been a great day. If it wasn't for the wind, it would be perfect. Ooh. Look at that, man. Another nice Decker bass. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna call it a day. This wind is getting to be a bit dicey. I'm getting a little nervous. And this like crashes over the kayak, and that water's cold, and then the wind makes it even colder. So, I really don't want to get rolled. So anyway, great day, absolutely great fishing day. I think we ended up with close to 20. You know, a few of them there were, again, just really nice size, like 20 plus inches. And this is insane. Check out these waves. Oh man, oh, it's cold. And so anyway, fishing was great, but yeah, this wind is too challenging. I'm calling it a day. And yeah, it's gonna be a little dicey going back. Anyway, cannot wait to come back out and do this again. Till next time. We get back. Oh man, this is yeah, it's a little dicey. You know, and the GoPro does not do it justice. These waves are a little bit bigger than they're going to look on that GoPro. Oh man, fun times. Now I'm definitely getting my workout in for the day.